What's up guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, just a little bit of what we do on this channel is we do a lot of product reviews, tech review, live gaming, game reviews, a bunch of different things guys you might just enjoy. So while you're at it guys, you might as well hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications. Why do that? It's so you get notified every time I go live or drop a new video like I'm doing right now for you guys to watch. And you don't want to miss out anything I do on this channel because I do a lot of great stuff, guys. And trust me, I don't want to miss out. And while you're at it, guys, you might as well hit that like button, comment down below, and share the video. Why? So everybody knows what we're doing on this channel so they don't miss out, guys. Because the more they know, the more you know, the more everybody knows. And it helps out the channel, it helps you guys out, so more people find me, more people want to know what I do, more content I can create for you guys. Simple as that, guys. All right, so today, one of the things I'm doing today, it's the only thing I'm doing today, but one of the things that I do a lot of times that I'm doing today is I'm doing a product review. And what product am I reviewing today? I'm doing right here, the SofaBaton U2 Universal Remote. So you might write, why would I need a universal remote for this price and this model? All right, so most of you guys know, anybody ever bought a universal remote? I know back in the day we used to buy universal remotes all the time for our cable boxes and our TVs because they didn't have any. I'm showing my age. Let me not stop there. But anyways, so let's say you lost a remote to this one. You need to get a replacement remote. Either you can buy one from the manufacturer, you can buy a universal one. Difference is the universal one's cheaper. But the problem with the generic universal remotes is they control one device and one device only. So you'll have the one remote here for the TV. Like I have my normal TV remote right here. This is the one for this one, it works. But then let's say you have another device like I do right now. I have an NVIDIA right here. This is my media box, it's right up here. And I watch all my stuff with that. But with that, that remote's over there. I don't want to go get it. But I have to control that with that remote and then turn on the TV with this remote. That sucks. I have two remotes to use to one function. That's what this device right here comes in, because this device lets you connect up to 15 devices. Compared to the U1, I believe the U1 only lets you connect 8 devices. But that's also enough amount. But let's say you have an entertainment system, you have a couple of media boxes, you have a Fire Stick, a Roku stick, whatever boxes you have, whatever you want to control, connect. As you see, I have a lot of stuff here. I have my Xbox, I got my PS5, I got one of my media boxes there, I got my media box up here. I got a bunch of stuff here, and I can control all that with this one remote and still have space left over to use. And you guys might be thinking, what's the difference between the U1 and the U2? Like I mentioned, the amount of devices you can connect. That's the one thing. Another thing that this has, that it had problems with the U1 that people didn't realize. The U1 had infrared problems. It wasn't, you go a little too far, it doesn't work. Or you're too close, it controls everything all at one time. It had issues. They fixed all the issues with the UR with this one. It gives you longer distance as well, right here with this one right here. So that's a great thing. So what else does the device does? It has a bunch of macro keys here. It has 4, not a bunch. I say bunch is more than 2, so it's bunch to me. It has 4 macro keys that you can connect it to whatever you want and program it however you want. So this is a smart TV. So if I want to control one of these macro keys to turn on YouTube automatically when I open it up, like most remote does, I could program it to that. Or if I want to open up, let's say Plex, I could do that as well. I could do many things with these macro keys. You could, basically, sky's the limit of what you could open up on here and program it to do. All right, and it has a full functioning remote with an OLED screen right here, a scroll button that scrolls up and down to pick the device you want. And that's about it. Now, how the box looks like, it has the remote right here, as you can see. It's a full remote right here and still in the plastic, as you see. All right, on the sides here, it tells you the name of the device, SofaBaton U2, right there. On the other side, you have 2 QR codes here, Apple and Android, so you can download the app because that's how you program the remotes through the app. Very simple. I'll show you the process as well. And here are all the key points of what this device does. It says it connects up to 15 devices, completes IR code on the cloud. Everything's stored on the cloud. That's why you have to use your phone. Advanced OLED display, customized macro keys, customized remote buttons, and mobile app. The little key points of what I just already described, but I just wanted to show what it says there. On the back, there's nothing, just a barcode scan. And on the bottom, there's nothing as well. On top, there's nothing. So we're going to open this up and show you what's inside. I'm going to open it up real quick. Open it up. All right, and so once you open it up, guys, I took off the plastic left on the floor here. So once you open up the device, right here, you get welcome with this. I just threw the box there. You get welcome with this little pamphlet right here. This pamphlet is pretty cool. Gives you all the instructions how to use it, step by step. Very simple, guys. They make it very easy for you guys to program this remote and use it as you will. So it's just a one-page double-sided direction pad. On here, if you couldn't scan the code of the the app on your phone through the box, they give you a bigger version here, so you can scan it for Apple and Android right here. All the instructions how to program it, and then if you need more instructions, it continues in the back. So with this remote, it programs two ways: either infrared or Bluetooth. Those are the only two ways. That's how everything works nowadays. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this remote with this TV infrared, and then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna connect the Bluetooth. So I'll show you both ways how they both connect infrared and Bluetooth, and I'll show you it works with two devices, because that's the whole purpose of this universal remote, because you could hook up multiple devices on one remote. So I'm gonna go and get this set up right now. I'm gonna take the remote out. So just to display the remote how it looks. You got the TV button here. If you only want to turn on the TV right here, you got just a dedicated TV power button right there. This button right here is a universal power button. So whatever you select on the screen, you scroll through, select it, and turn it on from right there. You got the import source button right there. You have your menu button right there. You have your home button right there, information button, volume control here, channel control here, directional pad right here, with the action button right there. You have the mute button there. You got the back button right there. I'm trying to bring it close. Let me see. Yeah, I can bring it closer there. You got your reverse, fast forward, play button there. Your record, pause, and stop button right there. These are the four macro keys that I was talking about. You got the four colors: red, green, yellow, and blue. And of course, oh, I almost slipped that. And of course, you got all your number pad right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got this underscore here, 0, and E button right here. These two buttons, this is how you program the remote. I'll show you on the app, but I just want to let you know the underscore button and the E button. And of course, it says SofaBaton right here on the bottom. Very cool device, very nice, sleek looking remote. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in batteries. As you see, there's no batteries. So they do include, with every package, they do include batteries. So you have batteries. Now again, these are not Energizer bunnies fucking batteries. So it might not last a long time. It'll last, it'll work for the time being. But that's to just get better batteries that last longer. What I like to buy, this is just me personally, I like to buy USB rechargeable batteries. So if the battery is out, I can just plug in a USB for about 10, 20 minutes and it gives me enough charge to use it again right away. Or I can let it charge overnight and then I get a whole, I guess, month use of it again. I don't know how long the batteries last. I don't keep track of it. So I'm going to put in my batteries in right now. All right. And when you first put in the battery, I'm going to see if it lets me read it. It's going to say connect to the SofaBaton app right there, guys. You see it says it right there. So now you download the app on your phone. And then you guys might be asking, how does it look, the app looks? Or what does the icon look like? All right. So let me bring up my app. All right. So I'm going to bring it close. Hopefully you can see it properly. If it lets me focus. So that's the app right there. It's not focusing as I want it to be, but it says SofaBaton and it's a blue icon with a white B in the middle, and the top of the B is like a Wi-Fi signal, like an infrared signal. So that's where you go ahead and get that. Open the app, and once you open it, it'll say SofaBaton, and I'll tell you what device you want to connect. It shows you two devices. You got the U series and the X series. X series is pretty good. I prefer the U series because it's easier to use and a lot simpler. So since this is the U2, we're gonna click on U series right here. And right now, as I showed you earlier in the remote, you gotta click those two buttons to connect the remote to your app. So now we're gonna go ahead, connect, hit the two buttons on the bottom, hold it, and we're gonna wait for it to pop up there. So once it shows connection, it's gonna give you a Bluetooth connection code there, and it tells you to connect it. That's connecting the remote. So you're gonna hit connect, let it connect, give it a second, and then boom, it brings to this screen. This is where you add your devices. So you see on the top right corner it says add, where it's pointing, the hand is pointing to. That's where you're gonna hit the add button and hit connect the devices. Boom. So now when you get to this screen right here, it shows you, like I mentioned earlier, it tells you two ways to connect it: infrared or Bluetooth. We're gonna connect my TV first because that's the main thing we have to connect. So, and I told you you're gonna use infrared for that one. So I'm gonna click on infrared, and then from here, it should bring it up. So it gives you two options. It can learn from it, which takes a little bit longer to hook it up, or you can search for the device, which that's the one I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick search. All right, and here you just look for the brand of your TV you have. I have a Samsung. This one right here is a Samsung in the back, so I'm gonna pick Samsung, and then you pick the model number. So this TV right here is a 55, so I'm gonna go to the 55 inch. Since there's only one model there available to look on, I'm gonna click on that one. And it tells you all the button that works with this remote, with this Samsung TV. It shows you everything that works. And boom, right there, guys. So once you confirm that that's how everything works and you're happy with it, hit next. And then you're gonna get the screen right here. It says confirm everything that's connecting. And then you could change the icon here. You could change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna put a TV because that is the TV. I'll hit, and then once I'm happy with all the configuration of this, hit complete. And then once you hit complete, it's gonna start downloading all the Samsung codes that they have stored on their cloud server and load it up to the remote. Because once it's uploaded to the remote, it'll let you control any Samsung TV basically. And as you can see on the remote, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, it says downloading. Because it's downloading all the code onto the remote right now. So just give it a moment for it to download everything, which as you see is fairly quickly. So we give it a little bit of time for it to download everything. And once that's downloaded, then we could go ahead and control the TV. So give it about 5 more seconds and it should be done. All right, it's at 75% right now and it's already at 80. So as you see, it goes pretty quick. So just give it a minute or two because it's taking every Samsung code that they have. You know, that's the most popular TV service up there is Samsung. So give it up, it's finishing up. And boom, once you get the green, it says check mark, it's successfully downloaded, hit complete. And now your TV is listed right there. As you can see, it says Samsung right there on the top corner. It says Samsung and the TV. And if you go on my remote now, I have Samsung with the icon I just picked, which is the TV icon, Samsung. So now, let's see if this thing controls my TV. So I'm gonna have my TV here and I'm gonna hit the power button. All right, and look, it turned it on. Now, let's test all the buttons to see if it works. Let's see if the directional pad works. And the directional pad is working. As you see, everything's moving. I'm okay, all right. Because if you gotta click it slowly, all right, I'm gonna pick there. And now, right now you hear no sound, but should be sound playing. I'm gonna check the volume button. The volume is working. I don't know if you can hear the TV, but it's playing Christmas songs. All right, so that's working. That's awesome. If I want to change channels, I'm gonna go back to the home page. I don't know why it gave me the menu here. All right, so the home button works. Oh, that was the menu, but I'm gonna go up and down. I'm gonna hit up and down. Let me go back. Let me get out of here. I'm gonna hit the back button right here. Make sure that works. All right. So the back button, it's working. So back here, so I'm gonna see if these on up and down directional pads, the channels work. I'm gonna hit, yep, it's working. As you see, my channel is working there. Everything's working. This is awesome, guys. All right, I'm gonna try the source button right here. Nothing's available on that source because it's, okay, so it tells me because it's trying to find it. So right now I went to my source button, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick in HDMI 1. All right, pick that one. HDMI 1 is on. And HDMI 1 is from my NVIDIA Shield. As you see, my NVIDIA Shield just turned on. But I can't control my NVIDIA Shield at all right now. I can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up my NVIDIA Shield through Bluetooth. That's the best way to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone again. And then I'm going to go ahead, open it up to the app. And we're still on the screen. So once you open it up, it should bring you to this screen here. Again, hit the app button. And this time we're going to do it by Bluetooth. Because we did infrared already, we're going to do Bluetooth next. We're going to do Bluetooth. And you look for the Bluetooth what you want. All right, I have an NVIDIA Shield right there. That's already available right there. Hidden Shield. And then I can change the icon. I'm going to change the icon for this one to a box. I'm going to do this one right here. Just so I can have that one. And hit complete. And now it's telling me that it's connected. Hit OK. Follow the instructions on this. And hit done. Confirm. And it's going to tell you to do the same thing. Hit the two buttons right here. And as you see, it did the same thing as if there was the pair remote. Hit connect. And it'll download everything right now. Give it a second. It's connected. And it show connected there. And then now control it. As you see, it's working. Look at that, guys. I don't have to do anything, guys. It's working. I'm going to open up YouTube, see if it's working. Look at that, guys. Everything on YouTube is working. Look at this. It's working. This is working. This is awesome. I want to go back to the home page. Go back home. Boom, guys. Turn it off. And that's it. That's simple, guys. How cool is this device? You can control up to 15 devices on one remote. And I only showed you two. I showed you my NVIDIA Shield and I showed you the TV. That's all I did. And guys, this is working phenomenal. I enjoy this TV. This remote. It's awesome. I have, like I said, I have the U1, but now I gotta get rid of the U1 and I'm gonna keep this U2 for myself. Now, if you want to get this remote, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can go ahead and get it for yourself. Because trust me, guys, you're not gonna want to miss out on this. Awesome, awesome, awesome device. And that's it for today, guys. That's all I had to show you. If you enjoyed this video and everything I had to do today, guys, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing now. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below. I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.